Thanks for joining me to do a flick through of Drawing Made Easy by E.G. Lutz, with selections from practical drawing. So E.G. Lutz wrote this book, Drawing Made Easy, in 1920. It was published in 1921, so it's 100 years old, this book. And E.G. Lutz also wrote the book Practical Drawing. So the back section of this book has selections from practical drawing there. So the essence of this book is about breaking down a subject into a simple shape. And so, for example, Brer Fox is broken down into a triangle, an internal triangle, divide the triangle, and then add a kite. From those basic shapes, you then start to add the detail. So there's heaps of different subject matter in this book: leaves, plants, butterflies, my absolute favourite. I'm going to refer to that in my YouTube live session on drawing and painting butterflies. It breaks butterflies down into the X butterfly, the Y butterfly, another version of X, and a butterfly facing that way and a butterfly facing the other way, and then it takes you through those steps. On flowers, this particular page I've used over and over in teaching because it shows you how to turn the flower using an ellipse. You could teach yourself to draw from this book. It really has everything that you need in the front to get your confidence up, and then in the back it goes into a more technical version. So we're still in the animals section here, and we've passed the flowers and the butterflies. Horse, this is really good. Range of horse, so galloping horse. Boats, more boats, and look at that, dolls. There's a whole section on drawing dolls. People, so lots to do with faces and gridding it up, and that is such a great way to learn to draw. And once you get your confidence up and you realize that you can break things down into shapes, it helps you move forward into getting better at drawing. Lovely section on figures, walking, falling, moving, a whole range of activities, aeroplanes, a bit of a transport. This section called Drawing Landscapes, it's not just about drawing landscapes, it's about leading the eye into a landscape, breaking up. It's really a breaking up the, finish my sentence, breaking up the section into big sectors like big triangles, and then it explains how you can use those big sectors to lead your eye into a landscape. I've used both of these so many times. It's like the most simplistic summary of how to make a landscape look interesting and keep the viewer within the confines of your landscapes. Just brilliant. So this is the back of the book with selections from practical drawing. So this is really about when you are learning to draw. The first section gets your confidence up, and the back section is about how to learn to draw, getting better at drawing. That's such a great way to learn to draw the figure, and whether the figure is about to fall over. Breaking down the body into sections, another great way to learn to draw people, and lots on the human figure. And here we start to get into the different views, as in which way the head is facing and how you foreshorten sides. Another tip here about composition, nearly at the end, and that's it. Anyway, Drawing Made Easy. Cannot recommend this book enough. Absolutely a brilliant confidence builder, as well as giving you some awesome tips on how to get better at art. And I'm going to use that in my live stream in a couple of weeks on drawing and painting butterflies in watercolor with watercolor pencils. If you got anything out of this video, please give me a thumbs up, please like, please subscribe, and then if you hit the notification bell, YouTube will tell you when I've uploaded another video. Thanks guys, thank you so much, see you next time, bye.